Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Instagram Explorer page. So if the content on your Instagram Explorer page is not related to your interest, or you just want to see new content, in this video, I'll give you two different methods for resetting your Instagram Explorer page. So the Instagram Explorer page is the page in the Instagram app that shows up if you select the search icon in the bottom of the app. Now, unfortunately, there is no setting or anything that Instagram has given us to actually reset this page, but there are two different tricks you can use to get different content on here. So the first thing we can do to try to get some new content on the Instagram Explorer page is go to our profile page in the app. So select the profile icon in the bottom right of the app, then open the menu by selecting the three bars in the top right of the app, and then in the menu, select Settings. Once we're in Settings, go down and select Security. And then in Security, we're just going to select Clear Search History at the bottom. So go ahead up in the top right, select Clear All. And we just want to confirm that we want to clear all of our search history on Instagram. This will kind of reset what is shown to you in the Instagram Explorer page. The next method for resetting the Instagram Explorer page is to actually go to the Instagram Explorer page. Now that we're here, we can kind of tell the Instagram algorithm what we like and what we don't like by first finding things that we don't like, selecting them, then select the three dots in the top right of that post and select Not Interested. When we do that, Instagram will let us know that they've hidden that post, and then we'll see fewer posts like that. So this kind of shows Instagram what we want to see on the Explorer page. Now it goes the same way. If you see anything that you like on the Instagram Explorer page, open that up and go ahead and like that post. So right here, we're telling Instagram what we like and what we don't like, and then they can update the Explorer page accordingly. All right, so that's how you reset your Instagram Explorer page. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.